If you are charged with a drug crime or a DUI or any other serious crime for that matter, you should call me largely based upon my experience, my ability to fight hard, my knowledge of the law, and my ability to get results. I handle DUI offenses that involve the basic alcohol DUI offense. I've handled DUI cases that involve controlled substances such as marijuana, heroin, fentanyl, cocaine, even controlled substances such as prescribed controlled substances like Xanax, Percocet, Oxycontin. You can be charged with a DUI for simply taking your own medication. There are defenses to that, but those are types of DUIs that I have handled as well. Other DUI cases that I've handled are DUIs that involve a motor vehicle accident. If the accident is serious enough and there are injuries, it can possibly be a felony. I've handled homicide by vehicle cases as well, where when there's an accident, somebody unfortunately died, and that is obviously a very serious case that needs to be handled properly. I can help an individual who has a commercial driver's license, also known as a CDL, if they are charged with a DUI or any other motor vehicle offense that could possibly affect their CDL status. Somebody who possesses a CDL who gets a DUI, a simple first offense DUI can revoke their CDL for a year. A second offense can certainly revoke their CDL for their lifetime. So those things need to be dealt with properly. I was a prosecutor here in Montgomery County for 6 years, handling all the way up to homicide, major homicide trials, major rape trials, and things of that nature. Of course, I've carried that experience over in representing individuals who now are charged with such serious offenses. I'm not the type of attorney who's just going to cut a deal and move on to his next client. I will take your case all the way to a jury trial if that's what's needed, and there's a lot of lawyers that won't do that. If you're convicted of a crime, even something as minor as a DUI or even some misdemeanors, there's certainly the possibility of jail, somewhat lengthy jail time, a lot of court costs, heavy fines, community service, lengthy probation. If you are charged with a criminal offense of any sort, whether it's serious or not so serious, whether that's a DUI, a theft, a drug possession, possession with intent to deliver, or something as serious as a rape or a homicide, you should call my offices. I will set up a free initial consultation with you immediately, and we can talk about your case and figure out your options. Call the law offices of V. Eric Peterson at 215-513-1700 to set up a free initial consultation, or you can visit my website, Peterson, spelled Petersen, -lawoffice.com, Petersen-lawoffice.com.